Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick review of these President's Choice Jerk Chicken. This was on sale. Check this out. If you guys want to read the ingredients, pause the video. There we go, here's the nutrient panel. And let's open this up. Alright, so here's the chicken there, and you can see the sauce, it just comes separate sauce. So you actually have to put the sauce on. So, alright guys, I'm going to cook it up and we'll do the quick taste test. Here's the chicken wings. Let's do a quick taste test here. Grab one. Ooh, they're not super hot, but it's got a little kick to it, a little. Otherwise, they're actually pretty good. Tastes like regular chicken wings, not overly salty or anything, but it's got a little bit of a kick and heat to it. So definitely check it out. Any questions, comments, guys? Please subscribe to the channel.